wings over the Midwest, the spring migration of American gulls and eagles. As winter loosens its grip on the Midwest, the skies come alive with the return of migrating birds. Among them, American gulls and bald eagles make their way back, drawn to the abundant waterways of the region. The Cedar River and its connecting lakes in Cedar Rapids serve as a vital stopover, offering food, shelter, and a place to rest before continuing their seasonal journey. The journey north for both American gulls and bald eagles, spring migration is driven by one key factor: survival. As temperatures rise and ice melts, rivers and lakes become rich feeding grounds once again. Gulls, which winter along the southern coasts in larger bodies of open water, travel inland in search of fish, insects, and other food sources. The Cedar River, with its flowing waters and interconnected lakes like Robbins Lake and Prairie Park Fishery, provides an ideal habitat. Bald eagles, on the other hand, migrate based on food availability. While some eagles remain in the Midwest year-round, many that spend the winter further south begin heading north as fish populations become more accessible in the thawing rivers. They follow major waterways like the Mississippi River, branching into its tributaries, including the Cedar River, where fish are plentiful and nesting sites are abundant. A stopover in Cedar Rapids. The Cedar River and its nearby lakes serve as critical rest stops along these migration routes. Robbins Lake and Prairie Park Fishery become temporary havens for flocks of gulls, which can be seen circling the water, diving for fish, and gathering in large numbers along the shoreline. These adaptable birds are scavengers, taking advantage of both natural food sources and urban environments. For bald eagles, the riverbanks and tall trees lining the Cedar River offer prime nesting and hunting grounds. As fish swim closer to the surface in the warming waters, eagles swoop down with precision, their sharp talons breaking the water's surface in a breathtaking display of strength. They also scavenge along the riverbanks, taking advantage of whatever food nature provides. Nature's balance in the Midwest. The presence of these birds is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Gulls help control insect populations, while eagles play a vital role as both predators and scavengers, keeping waterways balanced. Their migration also signals the changing seasons, a reminder of the delicate connection between wildlife and the environment. For birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts in Cedar Rapids, spring is a time of wonder. The sight of gulls filling the sky and eagles soaring over the Cedar River is a testament to the power of nature's cycles. As they pass through on their journey, they leave behind a glimpse of the wild, untamed beauty that exists in the heart of the Midwest.